In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a table in Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to open up this Excel that I have here. In order to create a table, just select the data that you want to convert, and then at the top here, click on Home tab, then click on Format as Table under the Style group, and then select on any of these predefined styles. I'm going to choose this blue one. Then here we are going to specify if your data has a header or it doesn't have. So for this case, our table has a header, student's name, maths, like that. Then you click OK. The moment you click OK, your data is converted to a table. So the moment you have a table, you can actually add your data. Say we want to add some data here. You can add like that. We can actually add another student, like that. And then let me just delete that row. You can also add another column, let's say IT, call it IT. So under IT, you can add your data again. Like that. So when you have your data, or when you have your table, you can include you can add the data as you wish. So if you notice, you can see that we have these drop down buttons. So with these drop downs, you can actually filter out your data. For example, I'm going to select I want only to show data for this student, Emily, Mike, Sarah, and David. So if we click OK, you can see now we only have data for those students that you want. So you can, if you want your students back, just clear everything and you get the table back. Now you can as well filter the data depending on highest mark. So we can sort from largest to smallest, like that, using the math, or you can actually format using English from the highest marks to smallest, like that. And you can see we have all those functionalities in this table. And say you don't want to see all these filter buttons, just click on it, just click inside this table, and you can see at the top here now we have a table design that has been added. You can only see this tab, table design, when you click inside the table. So let's say if I click outside, you can see that the table design tab disappears. So if I click inside, you can see it's here. I just click on it, and what I can do, I can just unselect filter buttons. If I want it back, I can just have it back. So another thing that you can do with this table design, you can add total rows on these tables. And then another thing that you can do, you can add branded column and remove the branded rows, like that. So you can do a lot of things. Say that I want total for all these marks. So I just click on that and then place my cursor until I see that small cross. I'll just drag towards my left, like that. So I think that's all for this tutorial today. That's how you make a table using Excel, and see you in the next tutorial.